In this video, I will guide you how to fix lag in Brawl Stars. The first step I will recommend is to check the internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi is unstable. Restart your router or move closer to it for a better signal. Avoid using VPNs as they may slow down your connection. Next solution is to update Brawl Stars to latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Brawl Stars and check for updates. Install the latest version to fix bugs and improve performance. The next solution is to lower graphics settings. Tap Settings in the game menu, reduce graphics quality and disable unnecessary effects. Restart the game to apply changes. Next solution is to clear cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Brawl Stars, then go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache. On iOS, uninstall and reinstall the game to clear excess data. Ensure you have enough free storage, as low space can slow performance. Next solution is to close background apps. Swipe up in iOS or open recent apps in Android and close unnecessary apps. Running too many apps in the background can cause lag. The next solution is enabling game mode if available. On some devices, game mode improves performance by optimizing resources. Click in Settings, then go to Battery, then go to Game mode and enable it. The next solution is use a faster device or emulator. If your phone struggles, consider using a high-performance device. PC players can use Android emulators like BoostX or LD Player for better performance. That's it. Now you know how to fix lag in Brawl Stars. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.